Max's 7 Super Days. Max the curious monkey woke up one morning with a big question. Why does every day feel different? To find out, Max sets off on a playful adventure, discovering the magic hidden in each day of the week. Messy Monday. Max wakes up excited. It's art day. He grabs his paintbrushes and a big white canvas, ready to create something wonderful. But soon, splatters of paint are everywhere. On the floor, on his fur, even on his friend's nose. Max giggles as he learns that sometimes, messes lead to the best masterpieces. Tasty Tuesday. Max's tummy rumbles. It's the perfect day for baking. He visits the kitchen and gathers ingredients for his favorite treat, banana bread. Mixing, mashing, and pouring, he hums happily. The oven buzzes, and soon, the delicious smell fills the air. Max realizes that Tuesdays bring flavors and fun. Wacky Wednesday. Strange things start happening. Max wakes up to see socks on his hands instead of his feet. At school, chairs are upside down, and everyone is wearing mismatched clothes. Is the world playing tricks on me? He wonders. But soon, laughter spreads, and Max learns that a little silliness makes Wednesdays special. Thoughtful Thursday. Max notices his friend Mia looking sad. She lost her favorite toy. Instead of running off to play, Max sits beside her and listens. Then he helps her search until, hooray, they find the toy under a pile of leaves. Mia gives Max a big hug. He smiles, realizing that small acts of kindness make Thursdays meaningful. Fantastic Friday. The air feels different. It's almost the weekend. Max and his friends play games, dance, and build the biggest sandcastle ever. They cheer, jump, and celebrate how fantastic Fridays are for fun. Super Saturday. Adventure time. Max packs a picnic and explores the park. He climbs a tall tree, races through tunnels, and finds a hidden treasure, a shiny rock. Saturdays are full of surprises, and Max can't wait to see what next week's adventure will be. Sleepy Sunday. After an exciting week, Max snuggles up with his favorite book. His family gathers around for a cozy story time. As the sun sets, Max yawns and closes his eyes, dreaming about the week ahead. Sundays are for rest, love, and looking forward to new adventures. As Max drifts off to sleep, he smiles. Every day has its own magic, and the best part? Another week of fun is just around the corner.